Welcome to lesson 4. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use more fingers besides just the first finger. We're going to learn how to use the second and third fingers as well. This one here, the pinky, we're not going to be using just yet because that one's the hardest one of all. So we're going to be using these three. So the pattern we're going to use is going to be first finger is going to go down, and then there's going to be a big space between the second and third. See how I've done that with my hand? The second and third are buddies, and they're going to be right next to each other. But there's going to be a big space between the second finger and the third finger for this pattern. So I'm going to teach you how to play lizards, and we're going to learn the E lizard first, and then we'll do the A lizard. So make sure you've got your space between your thumb and the neck, and you can practice tapping these fingers. So there's going to be a big space, which is the whole step, between your first and second fingers. So you can put your first finger down and practice tapping the second finger. Put your first finger down and practice, do it on the A string, practice tapping second finger. And then you can put both the first and second finger down and practice tapping the third finger right next to the second finger. Put it down on the A string. Practice tapping the second, practice tapping the first. It's really good practice to do that. When you're ready, we're going to play each note Huckleberry Pancake, and we're going to start with open E, have these fingers hovering above the strings and ready to land. So, E string, first finger is going to land, big space for second finger, third finger right next to the second finger, then repeat the third finger note. Then lift it and play second finger. Lift it and play first finger. And then open E. So that was our E lizard. Let's do it one more time. Open E. Ready, go. First finger. Big space, second finger. Third finger. Repeat the third finger. Second finger, first finger, open E. Okay, let's tilt the bow to the A string and do the same thing on the A string. This will be an A lizard. Open A starts it, ready, go. First finger, second finger, third finger, repeat the third finger, second finger, first finger, open A. Let's do the A lizard one more time. Ready, go. First finger, second finger, third finger, repeat the third finger, second finger, first finger, open A. Good job. So that's all for this lesson. Make sure you keep practicing the flower song as well and the lizards. So now that you know all this stuff, when you get your violin out to practice each day, I would practice your bow hold first, make sure that everything's working good, do the spider crawl a couple times. Then warm up with the open string rhythms that I taught you, all of them. Make sure you're doing all of them and practice the seagull song. You can practice the rhythms on all 4 strings. Make sure that you do that. Then warm up with your, continue going on with the seagull song to warm up your left hand, just using that one finger, or not the seagull song, but the flower song I mean. And when you feel comfortable with that, then you can move on to these lizards on the E and A strings and practice those. And always use a mirror so that you can check, make sure your hand looks good and that it's not pinching or collapsing. Those are all things you want to watch for, okay? So I'll see you in lesson 5 where I'll teach you something new.